All right, summer is wrapping up. We're into fall now, and it's finally time to catch our breaths as business owners. Summer tends to be a very hectic, crazy time. Lots going on in business and personal life. Kids are home from school sometimes, vacations. It can just feel like everything's stacked on top of itself. If we don't take some time to take a few deep breaths as we go into fall and kind of slow our pacing, our energy, rejuvenate a little bit, then we're going to hit the holiday season and be extra stressed out. So now is a time to keep on the momentum from summer, not just drop off, but to also recognize we don't have to paddle quite so fast anymore. For some businesses, it's time to kind of collect those final nuts and acorns to hibernate for the winter and be productive, but to not be in such a flurry. Let the calmness of the season also give you some time to recover and rest and get prepared for the holidays. Take care of yourself. Have a good one.